Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. As all of you know that the budget was announced in a scenario where Pakistan economy was on a down growth trajectory at the beginning of financial year 2020. As a result of the stabilization measure taken by the present government to address the issue of fiscal and current account deficit. While these measures improve the national position in terms of foreign support, lending program, and overall business outlook, the immediate impact in the form of slowdown in economic growth, rising inflation, and unemployment. In response of Government of Pakistan introduced reform measures for controlling price hike, enhance job creation, and create overall social welfare. In the wake of this background, as the local economy was struggling to come to surface, the COVID outbreak hit the country in late February 2020. Initial response was control the situation at the very honest. However, the nature of COVID spread demanded more extreme measures, and in March 2020, the country gradually started to implement complete lockdown. It is indeed a great honor and pleasure for me to welcome our distinguished guest and guest of honor for today's session, which will have a definite benefit for our member as well as for the business community. At this moment, I would like to introduce our guest of honor and speakers. To start with, from Mia Zahid Hussain, who is a prominent figure of the society. He is currently Chief Executive, Messrs Karachi Lubricant Private Limited, Messrs MWM Studios, Ken Lubes International Private Limited. He was Minister and Advisor to Chief Minister Sindh for Information Technology, Government of Sindh, from March 2013 till March 2013. Former Chairman, Korangi Association Trade of Industry, Founder President, Pakistan Businessman and Intellectual Forum, Founder Chairman, All Pakistan Lubricant Manufacturer Association, Founder President, All Karachi Industrial Alliance, Patron-in-Chief, All Pakistan Lubricants Imports and Distributor Association, Patron-in-Chief, World Communist Club, Convener FPCCI Central Advisory Committee on FBR Affairs, Convener FPCCI Central Advisory Committee on Fair and Exhibition, Co-Convener FCCI Budget Advisory Council, Chairman Alternate Dispute Resolution Committee FBR. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, John.
Our next speaker, Mr. Zahid Mazhar. He is a renowned businessman and industrialist. He is the CEO of Nadeem Group, engaged in diversified industrial and commercial activities. He is a well-known personality of Pakistan textile industry. He regularly appears on different TV channels for his views on national economy and international trade and industry. He is also the chairman of All Pakistan Textile Mills Association, Aptama, Sindh Balochistan Zone, and a director of Karachi Cotton Association. He is actively engaged in welfare community development works also. He is a former president of All Students Association of Government Commerce College and former president of Al-Hamra Housing Society. Our another honorable speaker, Mr. Saqib Fayyaz Maggu, and we are very kind that he accepted our invitation. He was former Vice President FPCCI, Convener Sales Tax and Standing Committee of PCCI, Chairman Indenter Association of Pakistan.